So I'm pretty sure, like most of us, we've just gotten that stimulus check. And we're very excited about that stimulus check. But the thing is, are we actually going to use it properly? Or are we just going to do exactly what the government wants us to do with this? I'm going to take a seat. So, we're just going to talk about how we should probably spend the stimulus money. And like we always like to do, as hot-blooded Americans, we don't like the government to tell us what we do around these parts. We want to do what we want to do. And so, in order for us not to do what the government wants us to do, here are 3 things that you should do with your stimulus money. Thing number 1, pay off your credit cards. Because what the government wants you to do is to go out in these streets and buy random stuff that you do not need, incur more credit card debt so that credit card companies can keep making money. Thing number 2 that you can do is, if you don't have an emergency fund, congratulations. The stimulus check can become your emergency fund, especially if you don't have an emergency fund that's $1,000. So you can start with that. All right. Then number 3 you can do is all those ideas of businesses that you've always wanted to start. Maybe go ahead and start that business. Maybe you take a course. Maybe you improve yourself, aka invest in yourself. Find ways so that you can keep making more money for yourself. Thing number 4 that you can do is to just invest this money in the stock market. Invest it in a stock market ETF fund where you get paid dividends so that you can keep getting more stimulus checks without having to wait on the government. So, use your stimulus checks wisely to actually prep yourself for financial freedom rather than you just to be a cog in the government's flywheel for you to send your money directly to corporations. All right? Cool. That's all I gotta say.